Don't cast your pearls before swine. Huwag mong ibigay ang perlas sa baboy. Kasi ang gusto ng baboy, kaning baboy. Don't devalue yourself by speaking to people who doesn't value your words. Don't disrespect yourself by putting yourself in a community who doesn't value you. Huwag mong ipagpilitan yung sarili mo sa mga taong hindi nakikita yung value mo. Huwag mong isaksak yung sarili mo sa mga taong hindi ka na-appreciate. Because when you do that, you will lose your self-image, you will lose your own identity. Your job is not to please other people. Your job is to please you. To make you happy. To make you feel love. To make you successful. And then pag successful ka na, makakatulong ka na rin sa iba. And for me, it's just plain common sense. Na kung mahal mo sarili mo at gusto mong maging masaya sa buhay mo, huwag mong ipagpilitan yung sarili mo sa mga taong hindi ka gusto.